Margaret Lynn, and today I am so excited to be sharing with you some of my favorite super healthy holiday smoothies. We all know that our willpower isn't so strong during the holiday seasons, and sometimes our indulgences can cause us to not feel so merry and bright. As a busy mom of two, my health has to be a priority so that I can keep up with our busy lifestyle. This is why I have created these super healthy, holiday-inspired smoothies so that we can have our pie and eat it too. And guess what? They're kid-friendly too, so our little ones can also feel great during the holidays. We are going to be making 5 different holiday-inspired smoothies. We have our Pumpkin Pie Smoothie, our Pecan Pie Smoothie, a Candy Cane Smoothie, a delicious Eggnog Smoothie, and our Gingerbread Man Smoothie. I will be showing you step by step all of the ingredients and how to amp up your nutrition during the holidays. After you've created your holiday smoothies, just post them in the project section, because who doesn't like a tasty holiday project? So let's get started. I'm first going to share with you some tips before you get started. First, let's talk about your blender. If you have a high-powered blender, that's going to allow your ingredients to whiz up nice and smooth. If you don't have a high-powered blender, that's okay. I just don't recommend adding all of the ingredients in at once. So I would add in the liquid, a few ingredients, blend for about 30 seconds, then continue adding your ingredients until it's nice, smooth consistency. Some of our recipes call for bananas. If you can peel, chop, and freeze your bananas the night before, when you blend it up with those frozen bananas, it gives your smoothies a delicious, creamy texture. If you don't have frozen bananas, that's okay. Just add a little more ice. It's ideal to pour your liquid in first near the blades. That's going to allow your blender to not work so hard. And if you love to meal prep like I do, then you will love to prepare your smoothies in freezer packs. Just add all of your ingredients into a Ziploc bag, pop them into the freezer, just dump your freezer pack ingredients into your blender with your liquid, and you'll have a super fast and healthy meal on the go. Now let's go make some smoothies. Our first smoothie we're going to make is our Pumpkin Pie Smoothie. Who doesn't love a nice classic pumpkin pie during the holidays? I know I do, but what I could live without are all of the ingredients that aren't serving my body so well. Instead, I'm going to whiz up this delicious pumpkin pie smoothie so that we have all of those same delicious flavors that we love, but without all of the harmful side effects. We'll first start with our liquid, which is 1 cup of almond milk. Always feel free to replace any ingredients if there's an allergy or a dietary restriction. Next, let's add in a half a cup of pumpkin puree. We'll add in 1 banana, either frozen for that extra creaminess, or you can use a fresh banana as well. We'll add 1 tablespoon of maple syrup, a 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract, a 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon, an 1/8 teaspoon of nutmeg, and a 1/4 cup of a vanilla plant-based smoothie mix. Add enough ice for your desired consistency. Next, blend, pour, and enjoy. Feel free to garnish with a little dash of cinnamon. While we're on the topic of pies, let's make our pecan pie smoothie. So for this smoothie, we're going to replicate those delicious caramel flavors while amping up the nutritional value. Let's start with 1 cup of almond milk, 2 tablespoons of pecans, 5 dates. Don't forget to pull out the pits if they aren't already pitted. 1/4 cup of a vanilla plant-based shake mix, and a nice handful of ice. Blend it up nice and smooth, pour it into your favorite cup, garnish with a few pecans on top, sit back and enjoy your delicious, guilt-free pecan pie. Next on the list is our candy cane smoothie. You can't go wrong with that peppermint candy flavor. First, we'll add 1 cup of almond milk, 1/4 cup of vanilla plant-based shake mix, 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract, and just a drop of peppermint extract. Be very careful not to do too much peppermint or it will overpower the smoothie. Add ice, blend it up, pour into your favorite glass, and don't forget to garnish with a candy cane or my favorite, a dark chocolate covered peppermint JoJo. A little indulgence is okay. Our next smoothie is our creamy eggnog smoothie. But you can leave the eggs and milk at home because this eggnog smoothie is all plants. We have 1/2 cup of almond milk, 1/2 cup of almond eggnog, 1/4 cup of vanilla plant-based shake mix, and 1/2 of a frozen banana. Add ice, blend it up, pour it out, garnish with a little cinnamon, and enjoy your plant-based eggnog smoothie. Our last smoothie today is our Gingerbread Man Smoothie. That holiday gingerbread man sure does get me in trouble. Not this year. Let's start with 1.5 cups of almond milk, 1/4 cup of your vanilla plant-based shake mix, 1/4 teaspoon of ground ginger, 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 4 dates. Don't forget to pull out the pits if they're not already pitted. 1/2 teaspoon of honey, add in some ice, and blend it up. If you're feeling a little spicy, garnish with a ginger snap cookie. I really hope you enjoy these smoothies as much as I do. I love all of the flavors of the holidays. These smoothies allow you to enjoy all of those holiday flavors that we love so much by leaving out those ingredients that aren't serving our bodies so well. As you blend up your own smoothies, take a quick picture and post it in the project section for all of us to see. And if you get inspired to make your own unique holiday smoothie, post it in the projects with your recipe so we can all partake in the holiday fun. Thanks for watching. I'm Margaret Lynn, and I hope your holidays are merry and bright.